guys, I hope you're enjoying What's the Weather. So today I'm going to do an experiment on rain clouds. So you need a glass jar or a glass at home filled with some water, some shaving foam and some food colouring. I've got blue, but if you haven't got blue it's not a problem. So what we do, we put our shaving foam in. Whoa, look at this. This is going to be the cloud. Whoa, look at that. Okay, I think that's a bit of a big cloud. It looks more like an ice cream sundae. So I'm going to take a little bit off. I think Tracy was having a little bit too much fun. There we go. Make it look more like a cloud. And then what we do is we drop a few little bits of rain into our cloud. Let's see if it's coming through. Oh, the cloud's getting heavier. And here comes the rain. Shall I add a bit more so you can all see? There we go. Is there more coming? Look at that. And you can see all the different patterns. Wow. So why don't you try this at home? Enjoy.